Hayaan mo ang ibang tao na maraming sinasabing masama tungkol sa'yo. Ganyan talaga ang aso. Kumakahol pag hindi kilala ang tao. Kulog.
Alam mo yung hindi mo pa nakukuha yung sweldo mo. Pero iniisip mo na yung kakainin mo mamayang gabi.
It starts with
I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to explain in due time. All I know, time is a value.